Hey guys, Max here. Ash and Naruto. I don't think there is any person who doesn't know these two names. These two characters has taught us what hard work is, how to make dreams come true. Ash, who has achieved his dream after 25 years long hard work, though he is still 10 years old. And Naruto, who was a failure, but after a long journey, he also achieved his dream. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make dreams come true by analyzing Ash and Naruto. So, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir once said that dreams are not those which comes while we are sleeping, but dreams are those which don't let you sleep. So that's obvious that achieving a dream is not so easy. Naruto or Ash didn't achieve their dreams so easily. The first thing which you should do is to has a strong intention of achieving your dreams. Naruto was a failure, but still, he never said, "I can't do it." He always said, "I am the best, and I will become the best." Same goes to Ash. Just have a strong intention of achieving a dream. No matter how much time you fail, one day you will become success. The second thing to do is to work hard as much as you can. If you just have a strong intention but you are not working for it, you can never achieve it. You have to work hard, no matter how much injured you become. If you win without hard work, you are actually failed. But if you win after suffering too much, that win is the actual win. It's right that you will fail, but it's not right that you will fail continuously. And the next thing is about this, which is learn from your mistakes. Ash has failed too many times. Hear this closely. In the first league, Ash became 16th. In second, he became 8th. In third, he became 8th again. In fourth, he became 4th. In his 5th league, he became 8th again. In 6th league, he became 2nd. In his 7th league, he became the champion of that league. And in this year, he became the world champion. If you hear this closely, then you will notice that he was also a failure. But he learned from his mistakes. He analyzed that what is the mistakes he did in the previous league, and finally, he became the world champion. So, don't be sad if you fail or mistake. Instead, analyze what mistake you are doing and don't do this in next time. And always keep smiling. So, guys, this was today's video. If this video was a little helpful, then like the video and subscribe my channel for more life-changing content. Comment in which topic I should make video later. Till then, keep learning.